Ugh, it's too hot today. Uncle Falta, can you please turn off that big light bulb in the sky?
Turn off the sun? No way, Adam. That's not just a light bulb. That is the engine of our entire planet.
Without the sun, Adam, everything will stop and plants will die.
Look at this flower, Adam. It looks sad because it's hungry.
Hungry? Does it eat burgers like me?
No, Adam. It makes sugar out of sunlight. It is called the photosynthesis process. Think of the leaf as a tiny magical kitchen. To cook, it requires 3 ingredients: sunlight, water, and air, specifically carbon dioxide. The plant mixes them all together, and boom! It makes sugar for energy!
Marvelous!
Uncle Falta, what are you doing?
What color do you think the sunlight is, Adam?
Of course it's yellow. Or maybe, white.
Whoa!
There are colors hidden inside it.
Water can do the same trick. Go ahead, Adam.
A real rainbow. Red, orange, yellow. It's beautiful. And now with some fun facts. So, Mr. Falta, if the sun is a giant electric bulb, who changes it?
The sun is actually a star, just like the tiny ones you see at night. But because it's much closer to us, it looks super big.
It is massive. You could fit 1,300,000 Earths inside of it.
But even in a super rocket, it would take years to reach the sun.
But sunlight? It is the speed champion. It takes only 8 minutes to reach Earth. The core of the sun is 15 million degrees Celsius.
But the surface is only 5,500 degrees.
Isn't that amazing?
Wake up flowers, wake up trees. Sunlight is the food you need. Cooking sugar all day long, making all the plants grow strong. Sun, sun, Mr. Sun, you are warm and you are fun, giving us the light we see and lots of vitamin D. Takes a bite of lunch, eating sunshine in a crunch. Put your glasses on your face, you're the engine of the place. Grab the hose and spray it high, magic colors in the sky. Red and orange, yellow, green, the prettiest colors I've ever seen. Blue and violet join into a rainbow gift for me and you.
Mr. Sun.
Wow! Mission complete, Adam! We learned about photosynthesis, rainbows, and solar energy.
See, Adam?
Sun is the secret of life on Earth.
You were right! The sun is awesome, and I feel supercharged with vitamin D.
That's awesome, Adam.
See you next time, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.